angels, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys the cheapest eyeliner available in India. Yes, I'm not kidding. This is the cheapest eyeliner available in India. So the MRP of this eyeliner is only 30 rupees. Can you believe I got a liquid eyeliner in only 30 rupees? Even I can't believe that. So I have bought this eyeliner which it looks like this. So yeah, this is a teensy weensy eyeliner from the company called Dazzler. So I'm gonna compare this Dazzler eyeliner with the Lakme and the L18 eyeliner because they are pretty affordable and really widely available throughout India. So yeah, let's do that. So first of all, I'm swatching the Dazzler eyeliner on my hand. So I think you guys can see that how this eyeliner looks like. It is really black, really dark, and I didn't apply a lot of product. I just used a little bit amount which was in the brush itself. And yeah, this is how it looks. This is really black, really dark, and yeah, I really like the outcome. Okay, so now I'm going to swatch the Lakme Instaliner below this one. Okay, so the one underneath the first line is the Lakme one and the first line is the Dazzler one. I mean the cheapest one, and the next one is the Lakme one. So you can see that both of them look a lot similar. They have a really similar intensity and they are like kind of the same texture as well. Both of them are pretty liquidy and they dry up really quick. So this is how it compares with the Lakme Instaliner. And now I'm going to swatch the L18 eyeliner, like the Colourpop maybe? Yeah, Colourpop eyeliner underneath as well. So I don't really like the brush of the L18 one because this is not very smooth or very like thin or anything of that sort. But both the liners, like the Lakme Instaliner, which is my favorite, my all-time favorite, and the Dazzler one, both of them have a really nice and like very thin brush applicator, which I love. But I don't like this brush applicator that much because this is not that much thin, this is not that much precise, this can't give you a very thin or a very precise line. So yeah, this is how it works. So I have to apply it twice to make the intensity similar, like kind of similar. So yeah, you can see like the first one is the Dazzler one, the second one is the Lakme Instaliner, which I love, and the third one is the L18 eye drama thingy. So yeah, I really like all of them, but I really love the Dazzler one because this is only for 30 rupees guys. And as you can see, all of them have a pretty good intensity and they look kind of quite similar. So yeah, I really like all of them, but I can definitely tell you that the Dazzler one is the most pigmented one. Like I don't know how they did it, but I am telling you guys the Dazzler one is the most pigmented one. So I love this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys that they smudge on my skin or not. So I am swiping my finger across it. I can't see that my finger is smudging it or not. I think all of them did a good work because yeah, none of them smudged. Like obviously definitely they are liquid eyeliners, so most of the liquid eyeliners doesn't smudge. So I am pretty happy with that. And guys, now I'm going to show you that they are water resistant or not. I know they are not going to be waterproof because they are really cheap and affordable and none of them claims that they are waterproof, but the Lakme one says that this is water resistant. So I'm going to show you that all of them are water resistant or not. So I have taken some water in this thing and now I'm going to pour the water on my hand like a little bit of water. As you guys can see, my hand is wet. You guys can see none of them has smudged or budged even a bit. So yeah, I think all of them are pretty water resistant, but I really don't think that they are gonna be waterproof because they are not meant to be waterproof. They have not written anywhere that they are waterproof, but I have shown you guys that 3 of them, like all of those 3 are water resistant. So I'm gonna like swipe it like so, swipe my finger like so, and you can see that they are not waterproof, guys. If you rub your eyes, when you have water in your eyes, then it is gonna come off. But if you have water in your eyes and you don't rub your eyes, then this is not gonna come off or not make your eyes look like a panda eye or a raccoon eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you guys my final thoughts on this product. I really think this product is a value for money. This is for only 30 rupees, which is like a steal, and you cannot get a better product in this price range. Like you cannot, I can bet you that you cannot get a better product in this price range. And if you can get, then please let me know in the comment section. I would love to get that as well. This eyeliner is really good. The brush it has is really good. I really like the intensity of it. I really like how dark it is, how black it is. But one thing I don't like about it, that is, it doesn't have a very tall cap or very tall brush. Like the brush is not very tall. I really like tall brushes because they are very easy to make and wing with. This is really cute and really small, tiny. So it can fit in your handbag really easily, and even it gets lost, you're not gonna care because this is for 30 rupees. Like you cannot get anything in 30 rupees nowadays. So yeah, I really like this eyeliner. I think you can get it online as well. If I get it online, then I'm gonna link that in the description box below, so please check it out. So yeah, and if I can't find it online, then sorry, I can't give you the links of this product. Then you have to find it in your local beauty shop, and I'm pretty sure that you're gonna get this one. So yeah, that's it. These are my reviews on this product, and I'm really sorry for a small little videos because my exams are going on, and in my exam time I'm talking to you guys, I'm making videos because I don't want to miss you guys. I don't know you guys miss me or not, but I really miss you guys. So I don't want to miss you guys that much, so I made this video even in my exam time. So we are best friends right there. And yeah, that's it about this video. And if you guys get this product and try it on my recommendation, then please let me know. That would mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video pretty soon. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. That's totally free. And don't forget to click on the ring button right next to the subscribe button. In that way, you will be notified whenever I upload any new videos, and that will be great, right? And if you have anything to tell me, then please comment below. And hi Romena, you are a very supportive subscriber of me. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And I know you've requested me several times to do a day in my life video, and I am really going to do that. But please give me a little bit of time because I'm having my exams right now. So about the exam time life, right? And I'm definitely going to make that video for you because I love you. But I promise you that I'm going to do that pretty soon. So please don't get disheartened. I really love you. I know that I could have tell you this through the comment, but I thought of talking to you through my video because this is my video. I can talk to my subscribers because I love you all. Like, I love you all. Seriously. Like, take it seriously. So I can talk to you guys whenever I want to. I can, right? So you can comment below anything you want to tell me, anything you want to ask me, and I'm going to reply to you guys through a video, maybe through the comment as well. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I am a crazy person. Like, I was going to say another word, but yeah, I'm a crazy person. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.